Hello everybody, it's been a very beautiful morning here in Northeast Florida growing Zone 9. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jen. Welcome to the Creative Grassroots Garden. In today's video, I'll be harvesting my Butterball potatoes that were planted about 3 months ago. This is my first time growing potatoes, so I'm excited to find out how productive they have been. If you're interested on how I got my potatoes started, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Once your foliage begins to brown and die off, it's ready to be harvested. My German Butterball potatoes were all sown directly in ground. Afterwards, I expanded the garden bed, adding some companion plants, such as sweet corn, zucchini, green beans, and butternut squash. The German Butterball potato is an heirloom variety. German Butterball potatoes range in size, from small to medium. This hardy variety also grows great in cool weather. It's said to have a delightful mild flavor that is very tender. They have a smooth, pale skin with a buttery yellow flesh. These potatoes have an amazing, rich, buttery flavor with a flaky texture. It's a golden russet type potato. This variety is also very versatile. They're great either baked, fried, steamed, or for home canning. Depending on your growing zone, they're generally harvested 12 to 15 weeks after being planted. Potatoes grow well in full sun or partial shade, with soil pH levels between 4.8 to 6.0, and an average of 1 to 2 inches of water a week. When harvesting your potatoes, you can use a pitchfork, shovel, or your hands, whatever you find works best for you. I personally enjoy using my bare hands. Digging through the soil is kind of like digging for treasure, to see how many I can find. Potatoes are also considered by many to be a survival food because they store well and grow fast. Potatoes can be kept for a couple of weeks when stored unwashed in a cool, dark, dry place with good ventilation. So far, my potato bed's been very productive. I'll definitely be saving some of my potatoes so I can start growing more. Can't wait to show y'all the final results. Okay, y'all, I'm definitely not disappointed. I think I did really good on my first time ever growing potatoes. They were super easy to grow and they grew so fast. So I'll absolutely be growing these again. For my last step, I'm going to till up the garden bed a little bit just to make sure I didn't miss any potatoes. Afterwards, I'll be cleaning up the area and straightening it all out so I can get it prepared to plant something new. Any questions or comments, feel free to drop it down below. I'm Jen, thanks for taking the time to join me today over at the Creative Grassroots Garden. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Or you can tap that notification bell down below to stay updated with all my latest videos. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I'll see y'all next time at the Creative Grassroots Garden. Have a great day, everyone.